I have built this course for those people like me who want to have a product in the hands and performs multiple functions. This course gives the possibility to find new customers thanks Facebook without paid advertising. From the ability to create a web page into your Facebook page. These people do not have jobs and can learn from this course the know-how, put into practice information of the course, and perform the information of the course for new customers. The first section describes how to create a Facebook page for your needs in every detail, focusing on the categories so as to create a page addressed to your business. The second section explains how to edit a web page with a web editor and load it on the web so simple. There are 10 websites ready to edit and download. The third section explains how to enter in Facebook Developers and load your web page within your Facebook page. You can also download 26 cover images, 44 tab images, 9 advertising flyers, 7 new phones, 7 Facebook flyers, 1 complete mini site, homepage, download page, thanks page, 1 bonus, 2 files, all these to download to your computer. When I started to build this project, I was a neophyte of Facebook. I knew nothing about HTML code and construction websites. I didn't know existence of Facebook developers. I wanted to find new customers in this social media with great potential. I wanted to make myself visible to billions of users. I wanted something simple and within my reach. Finally, after several studies and research, I built Facebook Business Limited Edition. This course is simple and intuitive. It's faster to do this course read and explain this course. I myself, when I started was to create the web page, I was thrilled. I thought it would take the genie to create a web page or make a university instead once created and view the web. I'm excited. I created this is my creation. As the final result, seeing a page created by me in Facebook, I gave myself a pat on the back and I complimented alone, not knowing what was a Facebook ID or a meta charset. And after a short time, to see this creation in the web made me proud. Now Facebook users can see my creation, or Facebook can see my business.